So when we're dealing with the real services, it's impossible to call the service in a synchronous way because the data is just not available right away. So one of the ways to solve this is by using promises, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and simulate like we're calling a real service by using a timer. So first, right here, instead of returning creates test customers, I will go ahead and create a constant customers, and I'll point it like this to create test customers. Then what I'm going to return here is going to be a promise, and I'll say something like return new promise. And then here we can say it needs one argument, and it even shows us something that gives us a little thing. So we go ahead and put resolve flat arrow and open our function parentheses, and here we can go ahead and do resolve customers. However, to go ahead and simulate the fact that this is not going to be instantaneous, we can go ahead and do set timeout. And the syntax is kind of weird here, so we have these open parentheses, open close parentheses, flat arrow, open curly braces, and then resolve our customers, and then we had a 1500 delay. What I also need to do here is I need to go ahead and make sure this is strongly typed, so I'll make it of the type customer, and I go ahead and bring our customer, since I have it here. So one of the mistakes that I made here is this is supposed to be an array, so that cleared out this little thing issue that I had here. And then on my list components, I created get customers method, and here I created this data service get customers then. And let me see if this works. Okay, so I just tested this and it actually works, which is good. And basically what I did here is I created the promise, I simulated a timeout 1.5 seconds, used the resolve keyword, sent our customers, and then here on initialize I gotta get customers with using this then. So once again here, if I come and refresh, we'll see that there's a delay of 1.5 seconds before we actually get our customers here. So let's see if we can make some changes to the UI to handle this. So the first thing that I need to do, I can go ahead and create this flag called is busy, and I set it to false. And then in our get customers, we go ahead and set our is busy equals to true, and then in our callback here we set it back to false. So here in our HTML, now I can go ahead and create another tag called and put a loading customers in it, which is the same as the click to select customer. So then here I go ahead and add and if is busy, show loading customers, and if it's not busy, show the message. So let's go ahead and test this. Now I save and see how does this work. Loading customers, and here are the customers. Very nice. So basically in this video I worked on using the promises on being able to load the data asynchronously. There's another way called observable, and that's what I'm going to talk about next.